Hello students, welcome in English class, and today we will learn poster writing or poster making, that how to draw a poster. Firstly, I want to tell you that what are posters. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitation all in one. Therefore, they should be drafted with utmost care. With carefulness you have to draw a poster. The people generally read them from a distance and so far as possible. The letters in a poster must be big. They may be in the form of large notices, generally put up on walls and notice board. Colorful, attractive and tempting posters attract the attention of a large number of people. They fire their imagination and influence their mind. There need not maybe any details in a poster, only very important issues should be highlighted in it. So, posters should be attractive, colorful, and tempting. So, firstly, we will see the format of a poster, that how we should draw a poster. Firstly, lines related with your topic. Topical lines means lines related with your topic, that why are you making this, drawing this poster. Then visual input means you can draw something there. It's not compulsion that you have to draw something, but it's upon you that if you can draw something there. Verbal input, that you have to use slogans, eye catchy lines, anything you can use here. Issued by, that who is issuing this poster. Now we will see some important rules, or that how to draw a poster. So here we will see how to make a poster. Highlight the main topic of the poster by writing it in bold and capital letters in order to draw attention. That we have to write the name of the topic in bold letters. Poster should be eye catching, visually attractive and informative. Yeah, it should be eye catching, attractive and informative. Use very simple drawings, sketches and cartoons. Letters of different size and shapes. Suggestive and relevant slogan or phrase. You can use any slogan or phrase in it. Include suggestions, do's or don'ts, that what you should do and what you should not do. All you can mention in your poster. Write within a box. You have to make a poster in a box. Include all the important details like time, venue, and date in case of an event. It's not compulsion that in every poster you will write about the date, venue, and time. No, only in some cases are there. When there is an event, then you have to write down time, venue, and date. In examples, we will say it. Name of the issuing authority, organizer, that who is issuing this poster. Maintain the word limit of 50 words. You have to maintain the word limit of just 50 words. Now we will see the example, that how we can write or draw a poster. See here, there is a poster of say no to crackers. Firstly, there is a catchy title, you can see. Then a slogan, let's celebrate a pollution free Diwali. Then visual, here we draw something. Then detail about the subject. There on the right hand side there are some causes, cracker causes air pollution, health hazards and fire accident. Now some detail about the subject. This Diwali, let's fill our minds and homes with love and happiness. No explosive and fumes. Celebrate with lights, sweets and flowers. Diwali is a festival of lights, not of pollution. Then last, issued in public interest. Okay, so this is a poster on say no to crackers. Now you can also see this one poster. Here you will have to write down date, time and venue. Cultural evening, this is a cultural evening poster. The Culture Society of Anand Bihar is organizing a cultural evening to collect fund for flood victims. Date, time, venue. Then special attraction, magic show, music, dance and drama, entry fees, adults, kids, students join hands together for a noble cause. So this type of poster you can also make. Here one poster is there of donate eyes to bring light in someone's life. generate a new preface, a ray of hope, a new vision, an example for others, come to illuminate the dark. Then issued by iBank. Then here is again a poster on say no to crackers. Then Dory, a social evil, a curse, say no to Dory. So here you are seeing 5 example of different poster, that how to draw a poster. I think now it is clear to with all of you that how we can draw a poster or how to make a poster. Thank you and have a nice day.